Now we are coming to our next heading, the need or importance of management. Here we will see some of the important points. The first one being that helps in achieving group goals. Under the point, task of manager is to give a common direction to the individual effort in achieving the overall goal of the organization. Now here what that mean? That the manager of the company is to give the common direction to all the individuals who are working as a team in the organization, so that these directions will give them a best effort in their job to achieve the overall goal of the organization. So as you know, the goal is their profit, and to earn profit more they need a proper direction from the manager. So the employees, they always receive the proper direction from the manager. Okay, now we will come to our next point. What is that? Effective leadership and motivation. So what is written under the point? The effective management is the source of stimulus to the employees. The employees are motivated to contribute their best efforts in their job. The management leads employees to the cherished goal and provides maximum satisfaction to employees. So here what is the meaning? That in the management, okay, the employees need to give their stimuli. They have to give them their best efforts in the job, and for that they need a proper direction, leadership, and also motivation from the manager. If the manager gives them all kind of interest to their job, then they also give the maximum satisfaction and achieve a common goal. But it is also very important that the management has to provide them a maximum satisfaction. Now what that maximum satisfaction? The employees need many kind of incentives. They need facility. Say as you can call remuneration, the salary, the wage, the fair incentive, the bonus, or any increment in the salary. So if the employees will get this kind of facilities or the maximum satisfaction, then it will be very easy for them to do the job in a best way or proper way. So the manager have to keep in your mind that it is very necessary for them to get the best and maximum satisfaction. Now come to the next point, increase efficiency. So what is written under the point? Reduce cost, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Optimum utilization of resources. Now what that mean? that to increase the efficiency level in the organization, it is very necessary for them to use some steps or to follow it. And that steps I have already explained you in the last video. These are, they need to plan, they need to organize the things, they are staffing it appropriately, they are giving the directions to the employees, and also carrying out the controlling function. Why so? Because they can reduce the cost of wastages, and also to ensure everyone in working towards organizational goals. That means what? That in the organization they always use the resources, okay, in a very best way, so that there will be no wastage and they can easily achieve the organizational goal. Okay, now come to the next one, that is effective organization and coordination. The management plays an important role by arranging and integrating the physical and human resources. It also coordinates the efforts of different employees and departments. Now, as you understood that the management always is to arrange the resources in the organization. Okay, and these are resources, that is human, physical, okay, these resources are very much coordinate with each other. They always need to coordinate with each other. Like example, I can say that in the company, the employees when they work, they always need to help each other. They need to coordinate, cooperate with each other, and at the same time they need to use the physical resources in a good condition way. So that is why it is necessary for them to be very effective. Okay, then comes the point, establishing clear authority and responsibility. Management being a teamwork simply assigns duties, establishes authority, and fixes responsibility of every employee and department. It eliminates overlapping, confusion, and duplication of efforts, and thus results in economy. Now here what they mean, that as you know, in the organization, in the management, all the people are working together as a group. Okay, and these people, that means the employees, they always need to get the proper responsibility that the manager is to assign them. Okay, and with this responsibility they do the work in a best way. And also it says here that they eliminate means to remove, okay, overlapping, confusion, and duplication. Means when they work, they should not do any kind of overlapping. Okay, if they will be confused, then they must do the clarification on time, and they cannot do any duplication of work because it will get effect in their goal.